Today we're talking about date the rate, marry the house. People have heard that phrase, but what in the world does it mean? So people say marry the house, date the rate, marry the house. And what they mean is buy the house now. First off, with the ability to, right? If we're in a current market where we can get a lot of closing costs covered, we can get down payment assistance accepted, we can get the deal that we need to get. Now, we may feel a little uncomfortable with the monthly payment, but that's where this phrase comes into place. When rates drop, and they're dropping, when they continue to drop and we get to the point where it makes sense, we can refinance the house that you now own, that you have owned for a year or two, and we can lower the monthly payment by lowering the rate. So you're marrying the house, you're saying, this is the house for me. I don't love the payment, I don't love the rate, but we can get it down. So that is what date the rate, marry the house means. And that's why people use it all the time, because it does make sense to secure an asset now so that you can get the appreciation going and you can start paying down that principal interest. Reach out if that's something that interests you.